There is nothing more frustrating than a broken windshield. Maybe it's a rock, maybe it's a baseball, maybe it's some punk kids. Is your windshield covered? You're going to hear a lot of people refer to it as full coverage. And while we're being honest with each other, there's no such thing as full coverage. There's collision and there's comprehensive coverage. For the sake of today's conversation, we're going to talk about comprehensive coverage for your vehicle. And some people refer to it as comp, and some policies will even have on there, this car is really loud. It's the second time he's driven by. Comprehensive coverage. Some people refer to it as comp. Some policies will even have listed on there other than collision. Comprehensive coverage is going to provide coverage to your vehicle, to your windshield, if you hit an animal like a deer, theft, vandalism, fire, anything other than a collision. And so I bring this up because it seems like in the summertime, especially, even in the winter, people have stuff happen to their windshields. It happens. It's notorious. And if you want coverage to your windshield, you have to have comprehensive coverage. A couple of years ago, middle of winter, I had a rock chip and it splintered right across the center of my windshield. I have a $500 deductible. It cost $250 to replace my windshield. I had to pay for it out of pocket. I didn't meet my deductible. You see, when you have a deductible, you're responsible for up to that first dollar amount. So I had a $500 deductible. I was responsible for up to $500. Anything beyond that, the insurance company would have taken care of. So when you have comprehensive coverage, you are subject to a deductible. It may be a $250, $500, $1,000 deductible, whatever you choose. That's up to you. But if you want to replace or repair your windshield, you have to have comprehensive coverage. Now, with that being said, like in my instance where I had to pay for it out of my pocket even though I had coverage, if you want, no matter what, to be able to repair or replace your window without coming out of pocket, you need to add a full glass endorsement. Full glass endorsement. So you have to have comprehensive coverage, and then you have to ask for it. You have to add this extra coverage. It costs a little money. But full glass endorsement means if you have to repair, replace your window, it's not going to come out of your pocket, and you're not subject to a deductible. It's just taken care of. But it does cost a little extra to add that. One last little nugget I'm going to leave you guys with. If you have a chip in your windshield or a crack smaller than a credit card and you just need to repair it, not replace it, but just repair it, and if you have comprehensive coverage, there are some insurance companies that will go ahead and just take care of paying to fix that. You don't have to have the full glass endorsement, but you have to have comp coverage, and it has to be smaller than a credit card. And some companies will take care of that. And I say it loosely because I'm not promising that all insurance companies will do that for you, but if it's smaller than a credit card, it's just a repair, and you have comp coverage, some companies will go ahead and take care of that. So something to keep up your sleeve if you run into that. What's up, man? Just shooting some video. And one last little nugget I'm going to leave you guys with. One last little nugget I'll leave you guys with. If you have a small crack or a little chip, and we're talking small,